Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the very most important terms in programming, which is the variable, assignment, statement and function. Okay, we are going to start with the variable. So now, what is variable? Okay, a variable is a name storage location in the computer memory that holds a value which can change during the program execution. Okay, and this could be, we can give an example of this as age and name. Okay, when you are writing a program that will display the full name of a person, you are supposed, and the information about the person, you are supposed to use the full name of the person and also the age of a person. Okay, think of it like a container that holds a value. Okay, think of it like that. So let's quickly give an example of what a variable looks like. So here I'm going to say age. Age is going to assign to, let's say, age 11. Okay, and then name is going to assign to, let's say, John. Okay, yeah. So this you are seeing here is a variable. This is a variable. This, the age and the name, is a variable. This is an example of a variable, and also we assign at this place. Okay, as we go further you will understand more better about the variable and assignment we did here. So let's talk about assignment, which is the second one up here, assignment. Okay, so the assignment here is when we give a value. When we give a value to a variable, that is when we use the word when we use assignment, which is the equal sign. So the equal sign is normally known as assignment. I have to show it here so that it will be very clear to everyone watching this video. So this equal sign you are seeing right here is the assignment. We call it assignment in programming. So moving to what a statement is. Okay, let's move to what a statement is. Yeah, now we are going to be talking about statements. In programming, a statement is also called sentence. Okay, it's also called sentence. It is a complete structure that the computer can execute. Okay, when you want to print something, you have to let the computer know that this is the statement you want to print out. Okay, this is the statement you want to display after the this is the statement you want to display at the end of your code or your program. Okay, so that is when the statement comes in. So you have to let the computer know that it should print this at the end of the program. It's just like in English, a sentence normally ends with full stop. In programming, a statement ends with semicolon. That is how it works. A program ends with semicolon. Don't forget that. Let's move on to function. So after everything we are doing here, we are going to be writing a code maybe in the next video so that you can see how the variable, statement and assignments with the function also work in the programming. Okay, so let's move on to the function. So what is function? So a function is a block of code, right? It's a block of code that is designed to perform a specific task. Okay, you can write a function once and you can use it many times in your program or your work. Let's say your work or your program. You get. So I will give an example of what a function looks like. Okay. So writing a function is something like this. When you write a function, is normally like this. Let's say this, right? So this is a function. As it is here is a function. You can use it in any code. Depends on what you are the kind of code you are writing, then you can. But I'm just giving an example of what a function looks like. So this here is a function. This greet is a function. So I think this will be the end of our video. In our next program, we are going to be talking about how they work in code. Okay, we are going to be doing a few program and executing it so that we'll see what it's going to look like. So do well to subscribe. If this is the first time you are coming to across this channel, I want you to subscribe and get ready for the next video. Thanks for watching.